these two even get in here? This is closed to motor vehicles. There are cars at both ends. There's one parked on the footpath there. That's not nice. Is it? Yes, it is. It's the crap parking champion of Dulwich again. And of course, the crap parking champion of Dulwich showing how they got out of the game. There you go, lovely big parking space there, but parks in the middle of the road because he's a... That's an interesting bit of parking. I'm a bit near the curb, I feel. We're just about within walking distance of the curb. There's one parked on the footpath there. Oh, just sat there playing with his phone. There's two of them there parked on the pavement. There's another double bill of crap parking. Well, there we have an awesome bit of parking. Look at that. Bloody ridiculous. I mean, look, could have parked right there. Another one parked in the middle of the road. There's another one there, look at that, blocking the pavement completely. That's a nice selection of cooperative crap parking here. Nice big parking space there. But he parks on the pavement. What is this now? Of the bloody junction. Could have parked a bit better than that, I feel. Oh, there's an excellent bit of parking, look at that. Could have parked right there. And a double bill of crap parking there, Royal Mail and a civilian. Well, that's an interesting choice of parking space. And that is a triple bill of crap parking. And that is a stupid place to park. Well, there's a clever place to park. Right in the middle of the road next to a junction. What a blocker. And there we have some crap parking. There's a dark place to park on the pavement and on the road. Motorbike parked on the pavement there. There we have some excellent quality parking. That's where you're going to park, right there on the junction. There's one parked on the pavement there. I've got one here parked on the pavement and in the contraflow cycle lane. Move your car, you twat. Fucking idiot.